Good morning, friends. My name is Dipanshu Gudara. I come from village Barthal. I have recently joined 3 weeks before, and as I am continuously coming here, I have seen improvement in myself. And we do debates here and conversation and do GD with every student. Everyone is giving their 100% as everyone is regular. I am improving. Today, I would like to speak on India-USA relationship. In this, I will first talk about the history. USA was a supporter of India since the World War II, and USA seems India more diplomatic valuable than Pakistan. But after India's non-alignment policy, USA started supporting Pakistan, and due to that, we are becoming more better friendship with Soviet Union, means Russia. Coming on the our economic relationships, India and USA have a bilateral trade of $145 billion in 2020 to 2021, and both the country comes at ninth largest trading world sector. And but after the USA first policy, it has been seen a little bit declining in the trade sector. But USA agencies for the international development has helped us in our natural calamities in Gujarat and West Bengal and etc. states. And now I will talk about the defense relationship. USA has been supplying us aircraft P-81 for the Navy and C-17 for the Air Force, and also many helicopters such as Apache, Chinook, and Hercules, and etc. And I will also speak that, but we now both the countries are also a part of Quad group, as including the Australia and Japan, and both the country are performing many exercises such as Yuddhabhyas, that is a combat exercise between both the countries, and Malabar exercise that was started in 1992, and a COP in exercise between the both the country air force. Now talking about the diplomatic relationship, USA has been supplying arms and military equipment to the Pakistan in the war of 1965-71 and in the Kargil war also. And that's why we have a little bit bad relationships, and USA did not support us in the India-Iran gas pipeline in the policy also. That's why we have a good relationship with the Russia. Now coming on my personal suggestion, that both the countries has gone through many up and down, so we have definitely have a edge towards staying close to the USA, but we should not forget Soviet Union. Thank you.